I'm Scott Parker from the Department of Biology. I'm a professor and the department chair, and along with Dr. Grisnick, we are the two herpetologists here at the university. So herpetology is the study of reptiles and amphibians, but I'm here to talk about snakes. So snakes are a really unusual group of reptiles, found almost in all environments except for Arctic and Antarctic and very high elevations. In South Carolina, we are fortunate to have a very high diversity of snakes, and that's one of the things that we study in this lab. If you're interested in herpetology, you can take herpetology from me in the spring. That's one of the classes I teach here. In herpetology, for example, one of the things we do is learn about reptile diversity and snake diversity. And so this is one of the specimens here. This is a preserved canebrake rattlesnake, which is one of the native species that we have in the Conway area. You're not likely to see one unless you're looking for them like we do, but they do occur locally. The research that we conduct here at CCU on snakes in particular and reptiles in general is on their physiology, ecology, and conservation, because as an entire group, reptiles, including snakes, are in decline worldwide. So many of the species that we study here are declining in numbers and are threatened. One of the ways that we study snakes in the field is using something called radiotelemetry. And with radiotelemetry, you have a transmitter implanted in the snake, and then you can follow it around using antennas. Now, this is a really large antenna. Most of the ones we work with are a lot smaller than this, but you can pick up their signal and find out where they are. And you can learn lots of interesting things about the lives of snakes. What do they do? Where do they spend their time? What habitats do they use? What habitats do they avoid? And that's really, really important for developing plans for conservation and learning about ways to manage threatened species in a landscape, especially here in South Carolina, where there's a lot of habitat loss. So if you're interested in studying herpetology, we'd love to have you. All of our research that we do here involves undergraduate students. You've already met Jackson. So there's a lot of opportunities both in the field and in the lab. So if you're interested, please come stop by and see us. We'd be happy to talk to you.